Our Foresite phase creates a safe, secure, and comfortable work site for homeowners and pets. You, the customer, will know every step of our design plan and remodeling process. Clear communication is essential for a smooth project, and it's a cornerstone of our business. To protect your environment, we build temporary walls and utilize thick plastic sheathing to provide safety and prevent dust and debris from migrating into your living space. In addition, we use our air scrubbers on each work site to keep your home free of construction dust.
We believe in doing everything we can to keep our clients' home livable while we remodel their kitchens. We've been in business since 1997, and during that time, the overwhelming majority of homeowners we've served remain in their homes during our remodeling process. We believe this speaks to the care we take in the Foresite phase and how quickly we are able to execute the work.
It seemed like the utmost importance was to make it as minimal impact to your life as possible and to treat everything in here literally with kid gloves.
They brought in a negative air machine, which was good for our daughter. One of our daughters has a little touch of asthma, so it was cleaning the air constantly. Everything was taped off and plasticed off, so we would not, what was going on here wasn't really affecting us in the other rooms.
I never felt like there was a lot of dust impact at all, and I just thought the cleanliness of the whole job was unbelievable.